Anthony's. Every chick begins with a carefully selected fertile egg from healthy breeder hens. These eggs are collected only perfect fertile eggs are selected for hatching. Every damaged egg is removed to improve chick quality. Temperature-controlled transport protects the embryos during delivery. Maintaining stable conditions is essential before incubation begins. These fertile eggs travel carefully controlled routes to specialized hatcheries. Even during transport, temperature remains precisely regulated. The eggs have now reached one of the world's largest chick hatcheries. Strict biosecurity begins the moment they arrive. Gradual warming protects the developing embryos. This step prepares the eggs for successful incubation. Automation carefully positions every fertile duck egg. Correct orientation is critical for healthy chick development. The incubator recreates the perfect conditions for life. Temperature and humidity are controlled every second. Inside each fertile egg, a tiny embryo begins its remarkable journey. Over the coming days, the incubator carefully controls temperature, humidity, and airflow every second. Automatic turning prevents the embryo from sticking to. Every egg is turned automatically several times each day. This movement supports healthy blood vessel formation.
Candling allows workers to see embryo development without opening the shell. Only healthy developing eggs continue the process.
Removing infertile eggs improves hatchery efficiency. Only healthy embryos continue growing. By the middle of incubation, the quail embryo develops rapidly. Every hour inside the incubator is carefully monitored. Computer systems constantly monitor every incubator. Even small environmental changes are corrected immediately. The chick is now almost fully developed. Small movements inside the shell signal healthy growth. Before hatching, the eggs are moved into special hatcher baskets. This gives the chicks room to emerge safely. The final hatcher creates ideal conditions for emergence. Higher humidity softens the shell membranes.
After 21 days of development, the chicks prepare for their first breath. The next stage is the incredible moment when the shell begins to crack.
The chick has reached the most exciting stage, breaking through the shell. Tiny tapping sounds signal that hatching has officially begun. The chick slowly cuts a circle around the shell from the inside. This natural process can take several hours before complete hatching. After nearly 21 days, the chick finally sees the outside world. Freshly hatched chicks are still wet and extremely delicate.
Warm, circulating air dries the chicks without human handling. Within hours, they become fluffy, active, and ready for processing.
Thousands of healthy chicks are now ready for their first health inspection. Next comes vaccination, sorting, and preparation for farms across the country. Every chick is carefully inspected to ensure it is healthy and active. Only strong chicks continue to the next stage of processing. Automated vaccination helps protect young chicks during their early life. The process is quick, precise, and carefully monitored by trained staff. After vaccination, the chicks are observed to ensure they remain active and healthy. Automated systems organize them into uniform groups for shipment. Special transport boxes keep the chicks safe and well ventilated. Each shipment is labeled for complete traceability. The journey doesn't end at the hatchery. It's only the beginning. These healthy chicks are now on their way to poultry farms across the country, where they will continue to grow. After a carefully controlled journey, the healthy chicks reach their destination. Each shipment is verified before the chicks enter their new home. A warm brooding house helps the chicks adjust after transport. Proper temperature is critical during the first days of life. Fresh water and nutrient-rich starter feed are provided immediately. This first meal supports healthy growth and development. Continuous monitoring ensures every chick remains healthy and comfortable. Modern poultry farms use both experienced staff and digital technology. From a single fertile egg to a thriving flock, every step requires precision and care. Industrial washers sanitize every tray with hot water and disinfectant. Strict hygiene prevents contamination in the next hatch. Once the chicks leave, the hatchery begins a complete cleaning cycle. Every basket is cleaned before it can be used again. Even the eggshells are recycled instead of being wasted. Modern hatcheries aim to reduce waste through efficient recycling systems.
Biosecurity is one of the most important parts of every hatchery. A completely sanitized environment protects the next generation of chicks.
From fertile egg to healthy chick, every stage depends on precision, hygiene, and expert care. As one hatch, healthy chicks now begin the next stage of their journey. They are delivered safely to modern poultry farms across the country. A warm brooding environment helps the chicks recover from transport. Proper temperature is essential during the first days of life. Fresh water and balanced starter feed give the chicks energy to grow. Healthy feeding behavior is an important sign of successful adaptation. Modern poultry farms monitor every environmental condition around the clock. Healthy chicks remain active, alert, and evenly distributed throughout the house.
The journey from a fertile egg to a healthy young chick is now complete. From here, careful farming and daily care,
Automatic feeding systems ensure every chick has equal access to fresh feed. Balanced nutrition is essential for healthy early growth. Clean drinking water is available to the chicks at all times. Modern watering systems reduce waste while maintaining excellent hygiene. Computer-controlled ventilation keeps the poultry house comfortable every hour of the day. Stable environmental conditions reduce stress and support healthy growth. Routine health checks help identify problems before they spread. Healthy chicks remain active, alert, and eager to eat and drink. Within the first week, these tiny chicks grow stronger every single day. From a fertile egg to a thriving flock. By the second week, the chicks are stronger, more active, and growing rapidly. Regular monitoring helps maintain a healthy and uniform flock.
Regular weight checks ensure the birds are growing at the expected rate. Digital records help farmers make accurate management decisions.
As the birds grow, the feeding system is adjusted for easier access. Proper nutrition supports healthy feather and muscle development. Modern poultry houses automatically maintain the ideal growing environment. Consistent conditions help reduce stress and improve flock performance. Careful management and modern technology help every healthy chick reach its full potential. The remarkable journey that begins. Regular veterinary inspections help maintain a healthy flock. Every bird benefits from continuous care and modern farm management. Automation allows thousands of birds to be cared for efficiently every day. Technology and skilled workers work together to maintain high standards. From a carefully selected fertile egg to a thriving flock, every stage depends on precision and care. Behind every healthy chick is a carefully managed process involving dedicated people and advanced technology.
From one fertile egg to a healthy young chick, every step is guided by science, technology, and skilled hands.